about the relationship between authorship and war in RMBTS by Kazuhisa Toba. Artikel tentang RM pasti tentang RPWP kong is minades about the relationship. Coba baca relationship dengan baik dan relationship about the relationship between authorship and war in RMBTS by Katsuhisa Toba. Since concept of purposeless purpose at first have often been viewed and ecstatic as autonomous entities independent from their creator. However, in OC refers to favorite member or person you support within a group. This boundary is intentionally blurred. With group like BTS, the personal identities of the member and their interaction with fans enhance the significance of their work. BTS in particular has developed a media constructed persona that incorporates their own life and personalities into their content. As a result, the artist's existence and their work merge, becoming one. This approach enables fans to engage with more than just the music and visual, but with BTS as a complete story, real experience, fictional narrative, and fan reaction converge to create a holistic meaning. In a cultural theory of OC by Sobunsa in 2023, I explore how BTS lyric, concept, and fandom response come together to shape meaning, adopting an analytical perspective that considers the member authorship alongside their work as an integrated whole. The emotional investment of fans in each individual of members oshikatsu become essential to the experience of the work. Here, the words are not entirely autonomous, but are co-created within the dynamic relationship between the creators and the audience. Within BTS activities, within BTS art activities, the artistry of RM or Kim Namjoon, the leader of BTS, and a key figure in music production, has been inseparable from the group message and their close relationship with fans. As a leader, RM has made significant contribution toward aim at encouraging fans. For instance, BTS Love Yourself series centered on the theme of promoting self-love. In this way, his contribution to BTS are connected to the group's communal philosophy, and he himself values honest communication with fans. On the other hand, RM takes a different approach in his solo work. In his mixtape Mono in 2018 and album Indigo in 2022, he emphasizes he emphasizes a minimalist and introspective style, seeking to distance himself from the idolized spectacle. Indigo, for example, highlighted a concept of signature with a minimal and natural feel, and its visuals were understated rather than flashy visual typical of K-pop. It featured warm lighting and simple background. The album cover art was also symbolic, utilizing simple elements of such a blue fabric, a room filled with steak oil jeans and single painting on the wall to convey his journey and source of inspiration. Musically, RM solo tracks are often marked by minimalist composition and introspective lyrics, creating a sense of emptiness. For Mono, he de- he deliberately he deli- deliberately delib- deliber- deliber- choose not to release official lyrics, stating by leaving a lot of empty space and made it so that listener can find their own meaning. This extreme minimalism and open expression allow the music itself to feel like an object, providing listener the freedom to interpret without imposing excessive authorial intent authorial intent. RM's RM's on board reveal that this is a deliberate artist philosophy. Is he has a distaste for overanalyzing art and prescribing a singular interpretation. In one live broadcast, he remarked on the interpretation of poetry. Who can decide the poet's intention, whether the poet is alive or dead, indicating his belief that once a word comes into existence, it should not be limited by the other intent. Furthermore, in creation of Mono and Indigo, furthermore, in the creation of Mono and Indigo, RM intentionally avoid detailed explanation of his one own intention, stating empty space is very important for the listener. This perspective is rooted in the idea that a work can stand alone, independent of its creator. In in this way, how does RM view the relationship between the author and work